Sony PlayStation has finally released details about the Project Q, and what the hell is this? Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Project Q by Sony was announced all the way back in May. It was announced as this handheld device that will allow you to play PS5 games on the go, technically. Well, details were very scarce when it was announced. We didn't have pricing, we didn't have anything. Just kind of like, this is what it's going to be. And people obviously, ran wild with it. And their imaginations just went sky high because when you are in a race to get cloud gaming working, you think the company is going to release something that is going to compete in that field. And so people were very excited about the potential of this device. Well, get ready to be disappointed because whatever you think this does, it doesn't do. It literally mirrors whatever is in your PS5 while you are connected to it at home. So you cannot go outside and play around with this thing using PlayStation's cloud service because doing that will make too much sense for PlayStation to do it. This is going to be an 8-inch LCD screen running at 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. It is called a PlayStation Portal and it will connect to your PS5 via Wi-Fi. It literally is a device that mirrors whatever is on your PS5. PlayStation Portal can play supported games that are installed on your PS5 console and use the DualSense controller. So does this mean that not every game is going to be supported on this device? I don't know why they're putting that caveat because technically if this is a device that's going to mirror what your PlayStation 5 has, or your PS5 has on screen, that means any game should be playable on this thing because you're in your home, in your Wi-Fi network, connected to your console. So it's not like you are, in other parts of the world or your city trying to connect to. So why would you say supported games? Technically, every game that is on the PS5 should be playable on the stupid PlayStation Portal. As you can see on the images, the PlayStation Portal will have two controllers on the side, which looks like a PS5 DualSense controller split in half. This will actually have the same features that the DualSense has, and that is adaptive triggers, haptic feedback. Now, to make it clear, once again, you won't be able to run anything locally on this device because this device lacks storage, lacks Bluetooth, so you cannot connect it to anything. You can even connect your own headphones to the thing because, once again, it does not have Bluetooth. So what the hell are they doing? Well, the best part of this is the price because you know what? Something like this, how much would you pay for something like this? Sir, ma'am, whatever. What would you pay for something like this? Just shout it to the screen. I'll count until 3. $200. That's how much this thing is going to be. $200 for a screen that connects to your PlayStation. Now, your internet connections have to be at least 5 megabytes per second, and Sony is recommending 50 megabytes per second for the best experience. Otherwise, you're probably going to have the crappiest experience ever. It's going to be like, This device doesn't have a release date yet. I'm assuming it's going to be released around the holidays. Makes sense because that's what this device is for. You won't be able to do any cloud streaming on this. Maybe at some point they'll enable that feature. Hopefully, fingers crossed, seeing how it connects to Wi-Fi, which at that point, if they do have a phone app, it will make more sense to have a phone app than to spend $200 and carry an extra device that you cannot use for anything but PS5 games. But again, hopefully they do that at some point if, they have some sense. Now with this, of course, Sony couldn't wait to squeeze every cent out of their consumers. So by removing the Bluetooth capability on this device and not allowing you to use any sort of headphones that you might already own, including Sony's own pair of headphones, they have announced a pair of headphones and earbuds that are going to work within a new system that Sony is calling PlayStation Link. The earbuds are called the Pulse Explorer, and these earbuds are going to cost only $200. But that's not all. I also said there were headphones coming. The headphones are going to be called Pulse Elite headset, and that is going to cost $150. Now that price isn't crazy. All to work with new technology called PlayStation Link. These are going to work directly with the PlayStation Portal, and they will connect seamlessly through the new technology called PlayStation Link, which is assuming low frequency Bluetooth or something like that. This comes with a USB dongle that you will have to plug into your PS5 in order to connect these headphones to it, in order to receive all the goodies that this thing offers. And the same thing with your PC or Mac. If you're going to plug it into any, technically if you're going to plug it into any device and you want to use the PlayStation Link, you have to have that dongle that comes with the device. We're probably saying, well, you know what, Carlos, planar magnetic technology does cost a lot of money because it's, a high-end product, according to what Sony's saying and what other probably audiophiles are going to be saying. This innovation delivers low latency lossless audio and easy switching between multiple PlayStation Link hosts, such as PS5 with the USB adapter and PlayStation Portal. When using Pulse Elite and Pulse Explore with PS5, the USB adapter that's included with each headset and earbuds is required for PlayStation Link. The PlayStation Link USB adapter will also be sold separately as a standalone item and can be used on PC and Mac, so players can connect Pulse Elite or Pulse Explorer to experience the same lossless and low latency audio. So you mean to tell me that I can buy the dongle by itself and use it with what? Because I will have to technically buy the stupid earbud or headset in order to use it with the dongle, and the dongle comes with the earbuds or headset. But I guess what you're trying to say is like, look, we know that you're lazy, and pulling out a USB thing from your PS5 and then plugging it into your computer is too much work. So we're going to be gracious and charge you extra for that little thing that you can buy, and just you'll have to. And if this thing is cost $200, how much is that dongle gonna be? That dongle is gonna be expensive, more expensive than it should be. Pulse Elite and Pulse Explorer can simultaneously connect to a PlayStation Link supported device, PS5, PC, Mac, or PlayStation Portal, and the Bluetooth supported device. For example, Pulse Explorer can be connected to PS5 via the USB adapter using PlayStation Link, and also to a mobile phone through Bluetooth at the same time. While playing on PS5, gamers can instantly answer a call and hear it through the same Pulse Explorer earbuds. Now, the devices are supposed to use not only PlayStation Link, but also Bluetooth. At least that's what I think. It feels a little muddy with all the information that they're providing on these devices, talking about the PlayStation Link being a special thing and you need a dongle for, and then being able to connect to a phone for audio. So I don't know if it's just going to connect to your device for audio, like being able to talk on chat or Discord or take phone calls, or you're also going to be able to use it in a daily basis for music and stuff like that from your phone. That thing I'm a little confused on. So if you have anything that you can clarify for us, let me know in the comment section. To me, this is just, I'm sorry, I guess it's clear that it's freaking ridiculous, right? $200 for a device that is going to mirror what you have on your PS5, to me is just ridiculously priced. That should not be something that you buy. I'm sorry, but people complain about companies trying to get away with charging too much for things and trying to, nickel and dime us and all this stuff. This from PlayStation is exactly that thing. And the only way that we can stop companies from doing this is if we don't buy the products that they sell that clearly don't make any sense. And before you say, well, they might activate it for cloud gaming, do you really think that Sony is going to sell this PlayStation Portal and not have cloud support from the get-go to add it later? I mean, yes, hopefully I wish and I hope, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure the PlayStation will sell you a different device for their cloud service. Does PS5 does PS5 offer remote play? Do they offer remote play? And I know Xbox does. All right, so it does look like they offer remote play. I did a quick search because I don't want to leave you hanging with that. So why would you buy this thing if you can do remote play on your thing? If you have a laptop and let's say you are not able to play with your PS5 in the living room, for example, why wouldn't you just mirror the PS5 on the laptop and play in your laptop? Why wouldn't you do that? Like it doesn't. I don't get it. What do you think about the PlayStation Portal? Do you think it's good pricing? Do you think it's outrageous pricing? Do you think it's stupid? Do you think anything? Let me know in the comments section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.